The ongoing conflict between Hamas and Israel has reignited the long-standing debate surrounding Israel-Palestine conflict. Central to this dispute is the question of Jerusalem, a contentious issue since Israel's declaration of independence in 1948. Jerusalem is among the world's oldest cities, holds profound religious significance for three major religions: Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. Muslims view it as the destination of the Prophet Muhammad's mystical night journey and as the location of one of Islam's most sacred shrines. Christians hold Jerusalem as the sacred ground where Jesus encountered both suffering and triumph. Whereas for Jews, it represents the epic center of age-old aspirations, a symbol of bygone splendor, a beacon of independence, and a nucleus for national revival. In 1980, the Jerusalem Law made a resounding declaration. Jerusalem, the city brimming with history and heritage, was now the undivided capital of Israel. It became the nucleus of power, housing the nation's key institutions. However, the world stage was divided, much like the city itself. On the global forum, a profound schism persisted over the rightful claim to Jerusalem as the capital. Israelis held it dear to their hearts, while Palestinians shared the same conviction. This disagreement over the city's status remained at the heart of the ongoing conflicts between Israel and the Arab world, a contentious issue with deep historical and political roots. The struggle for coexistence in Jerusalem is ongoing, reflecting the broader challenge of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Despite the difficulties and complexities, many people believe in the potential for a more harmonious Jerusalem, one that can truly live up to its historical and spiritual significance as a city of peace. Many individuals and groups continue to work tirelessly for peace in Jerusalem. Numerous peace initiatives, dialogues, and organizations aim to bridge the divides and promote understanding among the city's diverse communities. The hope for a peaceful and shared future persists. In short, Jerusalem's history is a tapestry woven from the threads of religion, culture, and politics. It is a place where ancient traditions intersect with modern conflicts, and where the aspirations for peace persist alongside the challenges of coexistence. The story of Jerusalem is a complex and evolving narrative that continues to capture the world's attention.